Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divide by this one. Number 7 divide by this one. So you got like this. Number 2 minus 4 over 3. You got about 2 over 3. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have 5 over 3. This one we have 5 over 3. This one we have negative 1 over 3. This one we have negative 1 over 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.